Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series, question number 10. If square root of 5 minus x equals 4, then what is x? So to solve for x, we have some couple do and undo thing. So if we're adding, the couple of adding is subtracting. If we have multiplications, we pair with divisions. If we have square root, we'll have do and undo is square of a number. So for example, when we solve for x, if x plus 1 equals 5, we see that we add 1, so to isolate x, we undo that plus 1, so we subtract 1 both sides. So that cancels, we have x equals 4. Or if we have 2x equal 6, so we see that 2 multiplied by x, so to isolate x, we undo the multiplication, so we divide by 2 both sides. That we have x equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now we have square root, so we will square both sides to get rid of square root. In another word, we undo the square root, right? So square root of 5 minus x equals 4. I want to take the square root both sides. Then I get rid of the square root. I have left on the left hand side is 5 minus x equal the right hand side now is 16. Now I can undo plus 5, so I can undo by subtract 5 both sides. I got x, negative x on the left hand side, that equal 11. Then this one is negative x mean negative 1 times x, that is negative x, right? So now that the multiplications, we undo it, so we divide negative 1 both sides. So negative 1 divide negative 1, that one, so we have left with x on the left hand side, and then we have negative 11 on the right hand side. Of course, in this case, when we have negative x equal 11, we can also multiply both sides by negative 1. Because we want the positive x, not negative x, so by multiply by negative 1, we have on the left hand side is x. On the right hand side is negative 11. And just to remember that we have negative number multiplied by negative number, that make us a positive product. Moreover, if we have an even number of negative number in a product, for example, we have two negative numbers multiply to each other, or 4 of them will produce a positive number. If we have the odd number of negative, like negative times positive, that only one negative here, that produce a negative. So in this case, we have negative 1, that one negative, multiplied by negative x, that another negative, so we produce a positive. We have positive 11, we multiply by negative 1, is negative number, so that produces a negative. Negative 11. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.